Hello everyone, this is Sammer. Zach, please. Right. Hello, this is Sammer. Remember, this is my phone. Come and jack it up. Yeah, right now I'm using my little brother's phone to record this. So yeah, I got this new game.
No, I need to add something else. Give me my phone.
I can't because I'm coming recording stuff.
Okay.
This is my new phone. This is my new game. Alright, yeah, cause let me see. You know, a little bit light.
Oh my god. Do you want me to help you or not?
Yes. Look, I got Naruto. It's a real old game. Pushing 2.
Okay.
Sorry. Zach got some steaks. We got snackies, which is coming. I don't know why.
Mommies?
Yeah, mommies. YS.
YS.
Okay.
YS.
Okay. So, okay. Please. Okay. Zach got a piggy bank and cream marshmallow sector. Okay. Zach got lots of shoes. Okay. Zach got lots of shoes. Lots. Okay. Okay, since it only lasts like a minute, stop putting in it. It's gonna take too long. Okay, bye.